Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager at MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new inventory piece of ours. This is a 2024 Scout 240 Dorado. Let's take a look. Starting off on the transom on Scout's 240 Dorado, we have a full walk-through transom with foam sea-deck flooring, so super easy to get from one side of the boat to the other, and it's comfortable on your feet. The boat is powered by a V8 4.6 liter 300 horsepower Mercury Dorado. Tremendous power for this boat, really sporty, gets on plane very quick, and it's in the matching Scout white cream color. Back here at the transom, we do have fresh and raw water washdown connections on sprayer hoses with quick connects and quick disconnects. We have rod holders, cup holders, and recessed cleats, along with our live well. If you don't fish, this also makes for a great cooler or a trash can. Reboarding ladder on the starboard side. We have a cockpit door that opens and closes here. And then as we enter the cockpit, if you're gonna fish this boat, you got a ton of real estate back here to do plenty of fishing, everything that you're gonna need. If you're just cruising or hanging out, you have a nice stern seat here, nice high backrest, comfortably seats too. You see it stows away really nice and clean. Likewise on the port side, got another bolster with a flip out seat, and I can also take this backrest and drop it to face aft to where I can create more of a L-shaped settee area even with that stern seat deployed. The upholstery on this boat is the Miscela package, so it's got the darker cayenne upholstery with the tan inlay. The tan is in an ultra vinyl. Starboard side, we have undergunnel rod storage, which is also great for holding deck brushes and boat hooks. Continuing further forward, we have our wet bar area with a Corian countertop, freshwater sink, cutting board, and a recessed area for storage. And we also have dedicated space for a 35 quart Yeti that lives on a track and slides out. So coming further forward and off to the port side, I can take this adjustable backrest, bring it to a forward facing position, and with this sport bucket seat facing aft, I can create opposing seating here in the cockpit with another Corian countertop cocktail table here as well. Also have a couple of cup holders, so it really makes this a nice inclusive social zone. Super comfortable seats, both for the driver and the observer, with adjustable bolsters. Nice tall backrest. These are fiberglass back seats too, so they're really solid and durable, but great seating arrangements on the 240 Dorado. Coming over to the helm. Super sporty boat to drive, feels like you're driving a sports car. We have got digital throttle and shift with that Mercury Dorado, so instantaneous throttle response. Big oversized stainless steel steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. Got all the instrumentation that you need, 10-inch Garmin touchscreen, Mercury vessel view display, Fusion head unit here for your sound system. There's also a lockable glove box, charging ports for your devices, and a couple of cup holders. And you've got a fiberglass topped framed windshield that sits just right for good visibility and protection from the elements. All underneath this fiberglass hardtop with a powder coated frame and LED lighting underneath. So coming up to the bow area, got a heavy duty windshield door that opens and closes in place. We have storage locker here and access to our battery switch, along with a battery charger on board the boat behind this starboard console. Head is behind this port console, but if you want to hang out and lounge in the sun, this is the place to be. So here in the bow, really deep bow seating, super comfortable, nice high backrest so you feel safe and secure. We do have armrests that fold down on both sides, along with a convertible filler cushion. So we've got this in place now that makes this one solid sun pad. You can remove this if you want to have more leg room on the inside. And then we have storage lockers beneath both of these seats, powder-coated grab rails for safety, JL audio speakers up front inlaid into the upholstery. And we also have on the foredeck bow rod holder, cup holder receivers, so they can hold a cup, they can hold a rod, they can also hold a bow sunshade kit, so that's ready to go for this boat. Just snug it up to the hardtop, drop the stanchions in here, and you can shade this entire area. We've got a anchor locker forward here. You can also access the anchor line if you need to untangle or clean anything beneath that cushion. And you'll see everywhere that you see snaps throughout the entire boat, we do have a full bow and tonneau cover for storage for the boat as well. So checking out the head area on the 240 Dorado, really nice, luxurious head, synthetic flooring, storage inside, freshwater sink, nice porcelain toilet. And then opposite that on the starboard side, you've got a really nice storage area, all finished out, easy to keep clean, easy to access everything behind the helm. And again, battery master switch is also located behind there as well. So that concludes our walkthrough of this 2024 Scout 240 Dorado in a gorgeous midnight blue full hull color. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. And thanks for watching.